Case briefs and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a 1981 case heard by the Tennessee Court of Appeals, Putnam v. Shoaf, a principle was cemented. When an individual sells their share in a business partnership, they relinquish rights to any future assets the company may obtain. This decision emerged from a dispute sparked by financial irregularities at the Frog Jump Gin Company. Mrs. Putnam, a former shareholder of the company, sold her stake to John A. and Maureen H. Shoaf. However, a shocking discovery took place in the aftermath of the sale. Frog Jump's bookkeeper had been embezzling company funds. This revelation prompted lawsuits against both the bookkeeper and the bank, resulting in a judgment sum paid by the bank. Unsurprisingly, this windfall stirred controversy. Mrs. Putnam's estate found itself at odds with the Shoafs over who should pocket half of the recovered funds. A trial judge dismissed the Putnam estate claim, arguing that Mrs. Putnam had previously signed a Quitclaim Deed, effectively passing on all her partnership interests to the Shoafs. Unwilling to accept this verdict, Mrs. Putnam's estate challenged the decision and took the case to appeal. However, the court held firm on the lower court's judgment, ruling that the transfer of Mrs. Putnam's partnership share also transferred her rights to all future assets. Destined to receive no profit from the embezzlement recovery, the Putnam estate was also saddled with the expenses of the failed appeal. In the end, the case clarified an important concept in business law involves the transfer of shared business assets. The sale of a partnership stake signals a complete severing of future economic ties, regardless of what new assets come to light. Mrs. Putnam's unknowing transfer of her share left her estate devoid of a potential windfall, thus reaffirming the principle that in the sale of a partnership, the past and future are intertwined.
Case briefs and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.